Alright guys, welcome to the Erudites education platform. This section of the platform will give you opportunity to make money just by playing educational game. So what I want to show you in this video is how the platform works. Basically, this is the first video. I will be showing you the platform itself and everything on this particular website. So you can see the first part of it here. This is the menu, and the first section we have the home page, we have about us, the forum, we have members area where you can have access to your account, your wallet and your profile. Then we have my level where you can see your level, we have contact us, and you have found my wallet. So basically this is the home page. As you can see here, this is the home page. Now if you want to know more about the Erudite education platform, then you can go to the about us and you'll be able to find out more information about us. On the forum, you will be able to communicate or discuss on the forum, share your experience with other members, or if you have any question you want to ask in the forum, then we will respond to every question very fast. On the member area, you can see your account details, you can see the amount of money you have in your wallet, and you can see your profile in case you want to make any update to your profile. So that is what you have under your membership area. On your level, you'll be able to see your level on the platform, how long you have been on the platform, how often you play game, how much you have made on the platform, and so on. So we have levels from newbie to the legend, so you can achieve any of this level depending on your activity on the platform. And on the contact us, you'll be able to send message to us if you have any question you want us to help you to answer. Then you can go to the contact us and you'll be able to message us. On the front wallet, you'll be able to add money to your account, because when you want to play the real game, you need to pay certain amount of money for every real game you play on the platform. So that is basically everything you need to know about the platform. And in the next video, I will be showing you the demo game, because we have a demo game that will help you to understand exactly how the game works. So in the next video, I will show you how the demo works, and I will show you also how you can fund your account and how you can play the real game. I hope you understand this platform, and I believe you will be able to access the platform and you'll be able to make money with the help of the opportunity available here. Watch out for the next video, and bye for now.